So this is the sagittal section of the renal tubule. So what specific types of tissues here?
Simple cuboidal epithelium.
Okay. So this is exomedullus of the kidney. What type of cells found here?
Simple squamous.
Okay. So if you will be asked the locations of a simple squamous, then you can cite one, the Bowman's capsule, and there could be other sites of
Kailangan alam natin kung ano body part.
Convoluted tubules.
the lining of the blood vessels. The lining of the blood vessels. What specific type of tissue is lining this one? Simple cuboidal pa rin, no? Cross-sectionally cut, sagittally cut. The same type of tissue.